Hey, it's me, Hammus, from the website youtube.com, and it's Valentine's Day. And on this special day, you know what I love? Money. And you know what else I love? Money. I love money. I don't care what you got. Dimes, dollar bills, NFTs, hyperinflated banknotes from Zimbabwe. If you got 'em, I want 'em, and I don't give a damn. I will sneak into your house while you are sleeping, and I will take them. I don't care. Fight me. I love Valentine's Day, and you know what? I was just sitting here thinking, I got all this money, I got all this weed, I got all this pussy, but maybe it's time for me to give back. I think there might be a few of you lovebirds out there, got your girlfriends and got your boyfriends and your matching sweaters, and you're wondering, how do I make this Valentine's Day special? Don't you worry, don't you even sweat it. This isn't even a problem for me. I got you covered. Trust me, you're in good hands. Here is my guide to dating on Valentine's Day. Buckle up, kiddos. So first off, you gotta know how to text. I personally like to open up with the classic dick pic. Really just set the expectations. And then next, presents. Oh man. If you give someone a good gift, they will love you forever no matter what. Stalin said that. So really, I just give your SO a shitty gift just to stay on the safe side, and so they know you're not a communist bastard. Okay, now, sex. As you all know, sex in all forms is shameful in the eyes of God. But lucky for all of you, I sold my soul to Tom Cruise, and now I'm damned to hell. So let's talk about sex. If you're banging without listening to some banging tracks, then you're doing it wrong and will probably get an STD. It's just science, look it up. I like to listen to The Weeknd, but only the really sad songs. Personally, my biggest turn on is to have a girl crying in my bed because I just think it perfectly sets the tone for the rest of the relationship. Alright, now for some quick tips with Hammus.
Wanna please your man and work on your fitness, just bounce your thickness on that slick motherfucking Christmas. Woo!
And yeah, just be a nice person, be kind, try to make your date smile and feel good. If you can manage to make them happy without being a pushover, then you're really well on your way to Happy Town, and just try to spread the love. Tip your waitstaff, kick a beggar, subscribe to Hammus, and enjoy Valentine's Day with your special someone. Okay, so up until now, I've been assuming that you already have a girlfriend, boyfriend, anime body pillow, whatever, but what about all my lonely drifters out there? You suckers, you losers who are spending Valentine's Day all alone?
What about me, Hammus?
Yeah, well, what about you? You just want it all, don't you? Well, this video is only for people who are in a relationship, so you can just, the door is over here. Go on. But before you leave, I think you might be interested in this next part of the video.
Hammus' Guide to Obtaining Your True Love on Valentine's Day.
So first up, we need to find out what you're really interested in. What do you like in a person? Luckily, there's a simple formula for that. Based on Einstein's theorem for quantum tunnel vision therapy sessions, we just need to plug in your age, height, weight, favorite movie, dick size or pussy diameter, least favorite color, and bam! We found it, the perfect partner for you. Naturally, of course, you don't stand a chance of being with them using traditional methods, so we'll need to get a little creative. Pay extremely close attention to the following steps, because any deviation from the patented Hammus system may result in permanent bodily harm. H. Hotwire a 2007 Honda Civic. The make and model of the car is very important. You might not understand this yet because I'm a lot fucking smarter than you, but you need a 2007 Honda Civic. You can't do this with a Ford Focus or a Nissan Cube. Obtain the vehicle by any means necessary. I don't care who you have to call, who you have to rob, who you have to kill. This is for your Valentine. If you're not willing to move heaven and earth for them, then you just don't deserve to be in a relationship. A. Assemble your arsenal. Once you have your 2007 Honda Civic, you need to drive to Walmart and buy two very specific items. Number 1. The DVD box set for Better Call Saul Season 4, And number 2, a family-sized box of great value fruit smiles. Both of these items are fairly small and can certainly be easily carried out of the store at the same time. M, make a quick getaway. You didn't bring any money, did you? What, you just thought you could steal the fruit smiles from Walmart? That's their most valuable item. You dumbass. See, this is why you aren't in a relationship. Okay, no problem. We planned for this. Now just hop in your McLaren Senna and wait, what? Really? You brought a 2007 Honda Civic to the biggest robbery of the decade? You could have at least bought a 2008 Civic with the upgraded multi-link rear suspension, but no, I guess you're stuck with the crappy double wishbone setup. Maybe you can snap that wishbone and ask for a good car like a Porsche 911 or a Subaru WRX or a Tesla Model S. Hey, have you ever played Grand Theft Auto before? Well, I hope so, because you better start driving, buddy. M. Okay, look, I don't even know how you managed to get away, but the next step is to seek medical attention because you are a mess. Like, I didn't think it was possible to survive with that many bullet holes piercing your frail, basement-dwelling, Slay the Spire-playing body. Honestly, you need a doctor, but don't even think about going to the hospital because you just committed crimes. So many crimes. I know you thought the move with a rocket launcher was really cool in the moment, but you did a murder. That was murder. This M is for medical attention, not murder. I mean, like I make the videos and I go through all this effort to help you, and you can't even study ahead. Okay, look, you're on your own. Just watch another tutorial on how to heal bullet wounds, and maybe you won't fuck that up as bad as you're fucking this one up. Whew, okay, you're still alive. Somehow. Good for you. You know, here's a sticker and a kiss. At this rate, that's the only kiss you'll get today. Anyway, you're almost there. This is the most important step, so listen very, very carefully. The U stands for unsubscribe from Hammus. It's just right there. Give it a little click. S. Smash. That's it. Really, I think it was that last step that did the trick. And the fruit smiles. So wherever you are, I'm guessing probably in a moldy cardboard box outside of a Salvia store with free Wi-Fi. I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. Find someone you care about and hold them close. Cherish the moment because you'll find out soon enough that they're probably fucking me. And remember, kids, life is short and you will die. Probably alone. Oh shit, I forgot to talk about the chocolates and the cards. Oh no, okay. So the first thing you're going to want to do is... So could you just do me a favor and hit that subscribe button again? Yeah, it's just right up there. And ring the bell too. Yeah, that's good.